In this video, you'll learn how to automatically jump to the next slide after entering correct text in Articulate Storyline 360. Open your course in Articulate Storyline 360. Navigate to the slide you want to modify. Create a new trigger that runs JavaScript when the timeline starts on this slide. Open the JavaScript editor, paste your script, and click OK. Ensure the text entry variable you're using is referenced correctly in the script. Next, create another trigger. With action, jump to next slide. When variable changes, add a condition. The selected variable must equal your target value, start. Set the comparison to ignore case. The value defined in this condition acts as the key to move to the next slide. Click OK to save the trigger. Preview your course. You'll see that once the correct text is entered, the slide automatically advances to the next one. That's it. You've successfully set up automatic navigation based on text entry input. Thanks for watching and happy course creating with Articulate Storyline 360.